What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the cabin air filter in a 2023 Toyota 4Runner. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video. It's where you can find these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look at the back of the glove box, we see there's this panel right here. And there's these two push clips on the top that you'll just push down both at the same time, and then that panel will pull off like that. Now we see this white item right here. This is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. There's these clips on the side, one here and one over here. They'll just push in, and then this door will pull off. And if you have both your hands free, it's easier to do these both at the same time. Once we get that piece off, we can see our actual filter right here. And this air filter will just slide out of here like this. Then when you put your new one in, you'll slide it in, and you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the airflow. So if you have an OEM style filter, as this one is, you'll notice it just has an arrow pointing up and says up. If yours looks like this, just has an arrow or an arrow end up, you'll install it with that arrow pointing up like this. If you're using an aftermarket filter that says airflow on it, and you have an arrow, you want airflow pointing down. So if your filter says the word airflow and has an arrow, point your arrow down. If yours just has an arrow and says arrow and up like this, then point it up. So once we have our new filter installed with our arrow going the correct way, we can reverse everything we just did. So we'll grab our access door, and if you notice on this access door, it has an arrow pointing up too, so you'll know which way to install that. Snap that piece on, then we'll snap this on, and if you notice there's these three tabs on the bottom, kind of line those tabs up first, then snap that on, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.